Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Inshot and creating a new video project so you can act immediately. Import your gathered clips and audio. Once added, tap each clip to trim the rough edges. Make sure to set the aspect ratio right away. 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels, because that determines framing. While trimming, split long clips into usable segments, then arrange them on the timeline in the order you want. This first pass builds your story and saves time later. Once your rough order is set, refine each segment. Use split and trim for precise cuts, then add transitions between scenes to smooth flow. Apply speed changes where pacing matters and layer music under dialogue. Reduce music volume by 15–30% so voice remains clear. Use color correction to match clips and the stabilize tool for shaky footage. If you need motion, add keyframe-driven text or stickers. Preview frequently so edits feel natural and timing stays consistent across the project. You finish by exporting. Choose resolution, frame rate, and bitrate that match your platform, for example 1080p at 30 fps. Name the file, save to your device, and use Inshot's share options to upload directly. Make sure to watch the full exported file once. Check audio sync and clipped frames. If export fails or the app crashes, clear Inshot's cache, lower the bitrate or resolution, and restart the app. That usually fixes most export and performance problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.